Each day I rise, I'll fix my eyes on your promise.
Easter is coming up pretty soon, guys, and we have got an Easter appeal happening here at Excel Church for our food bank. So we're in need of some Easter eggs, so if you could get some and donate them here to the church, that would be amazing. We would love to be able to send some Easter eggs to families over the Easter period. So if you'd like to donate them, you can drop them here at church anytime. So please, guys, get thinking and please help us with this Easter appeal.
That you have made, I will rejoice and be glad in it. I will rejoice and be glad in it. My joy, my rest, do not depend on my circumstance or how.
Right, guys, Mother's Day is coming up next month, so kids, this one's for you. We want you to send in a video telling us what is so amazing about your mom or the person who cares for you, and we want this in by March the 7th, so that's Sunday the March the 7th. So dads, you might have to get involved and help a bit with the filming, but just a short clip saying what is amazing about your parent, and we'd love to use those for our Mother's Day special. So you can send those to kids@excelchurch.org.uk. You can now join us for 2 services at Excel Church where you can actually come to the building for the service. So we have got these happening on Sunday mornings at 11 a.m. where you can come and be a watch party audience for our live stream service. If you're unable to attend, don't worry, you can just get us online at 11 a.m. instead. But if you'd like to actually join us in the building as part of the watch party audience, then you can just sign up online as spaces are limited in advance. And you can also join us at 6 p.m. on an evening for our evening service, which is a physical one. So if you would like to join us for that, then simply book online on Church Suite or on our website. See you there, guys.
This is the day that you have made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. I will rejoice, I will rejoice. This is the day that you have made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Yeah. This is the day that.
Don't forget that Connect Groups are meeting this week, so make sure you join in with yours. And that's all for Excel News, guys. So if you'd like any more information, just check us out on social media or check out our website. Have a great week, guys.